Hey guys, welcome back to my colourful country life. I am absolutely thrilled to be celebrating a fantastic milestone with you all today. We have reached 20,000 subscribers on the channel, and to celebrate today, I'm going to be running a giveaway on the channel. Before we dive into the giveaway details though, I did just want to express my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you. Your support has made this channel what it is today, and I couldn't be more grateful for all of you. Now, let's talk about the giveaway. I've decided to make it extra special by having not one, not two, but 3 lucky winners. And the giveaway is open worldwide. So no matter where you are, you can participate. However, please make sure your country accepts mail from Australia and check for any customs duties or taxes that may apply, just so you don't get stung by any charges when the package arrives if you win. So entering is simple. All you need to do is like this video, comment down below, comment whatever you want. Just comment something nice, obviously, but comment whatever you like. And of course, please be subscribed to the channel. After all, this giveaway is for my fantastic subscribers. I'd also like to invite you to follow me over on Instagram for some more exciting updates, though it is not a requirement for this giveaway. It's just a little extra if you're interested, of course. So just like, subscribe, and comment down below to enter. Now let's get to the exciting part, the prizes. So first prize will be 1 set of pencils, 2 books, and a book cover of their choice. Second prize will be the same, but they will get to choose out of what's left once the first winner has chosen their prizes. And the third winner is going to get a book and a book cover, and they will get what is left at the end after the first and second winners have chosen their prize. So let me just explain that in more detail. I'm just going to move all this out of the way for the moment. Okay, so the first choice is going to be between a pack of 12 Polychromos pencils and a pack of 12 Prismacolor pencils. So first place will get to choose, sorry, I can hear my cows. Sorry, first place will get to choose whether they want the Polychromos or the Prismacolors, and second place will get the remaining set of pencils. Now with the books, the first place winner will get to choose between Kerby Rosane's Colour Universe and Joanna Basford's Secret Garden, the 10th Anniversary Edition. Then the second winner will get to choose between what's remaining, and the third place will get the last one standing. Now, the reason I chose a Joanna Basford book because it was her book that got me started with adult colouring. And of course, if you've been here for a while, those of you who've been here since the beginning will know that my channel actually started with the first book in Kerby's World series, which was Worlds Within Worlds. So both artists mean a lot to me. You will find a lot of the pages in this book probably have colour alongs up on my channel as well. So again, first winner will get to choose between these 2 books. The second winner will get to choose between what's left, and the third winner will get the remaining. Now, there is a reason why I chose these books other than the fact that they do mean something to me. And that is because they will fit the book cover that I'm about to show you in a moment. But before we do, we have another choice, and the next choice is for first and second place, they get to choose between Meine Reise, durch Afrika by Rita Berman and A Little Million Monsters by Lulu Mayo. So first place gets first pick, and second place will get the remainder. And I do have a flip through of these up on my channel. If you have yet to see them. Actually, this one, I don't know if I have a flip through. I do have a colour along for this book. I'll just quickly show you inside. Now with Colour Universe, I'll show you inside this one too while we're at it. Just so you get an idea. One's from Alien Worlds, Fragile Worlds, Worlds Within Worlds, Mythic Worlds, Worlds Within Worlds. Whoops. They're both. That's Mythic Worlds, Alien Worlds, Fragile, Worlds Within Worlds. Yeah, so That one's Mythic World. So that is the compilation book from Kerby. Just a quick flip. And the Secret Garden one, this one, I think this one had an edition. I'm pretty sure it's the pull-out here at the back. Is this the pull-out? Yeah. So these pages here aren't included in the original Secret Garden. This one's really pretty. Lots of details. And let's have a look on the back. That's a good one. That would actually make a good colour along. Lots of pretty flowers. And some berries, I think. They look like grapes. Maybe they're flower buds. Okay. And finally, a special and unique prize. This is a Fabrica book cover for your colouring books. And this is made specifically by a friend of mine, a very talented friend of mine, for this giveaway. So she does have a small business, but it is completely unrelated to anything colouring or craft related. I was just talking to her one day about the need of having these covers for my books because they are getting dirty, especially my Rooms of Wonder by Joanna Basford. And she said to me, I think I can make something like that for you. So she did up a few samples and sent them across to me. And this is them here for us to give away today. And I'll just show you here. So it does fit Joanna. Do I need to zoom you out? 1 second. Oops. Okay, that's better. So it does fit Joanna and Kerby's standard size books, like I said earlier. 1 second, I'll show you. So here is my Dirty Rooms of Wonder by Joanna Basford's cover. So this was the whole reason why I needed this, especially even when I finished Worlds Within Worlds, it got a little bit ruined, the cover. And since we don't have dust jackets anymore, so just slide that in on that side. And then with the front cover, just bend it through to there. There is our bookmark. And this bookmark here, it feels like a curling ribbon type of bookmark. The cover itself, I believe, is cotton and polyester blend of some sort. Now, these are just little samples that she put together, so nothing has been tried or tested. This is just a fun little addition to the giveaway. So, oh, and it has my logo here, my channel logo on a transfer inside. So that is our first one. I've already put these ones in books to show you as well. So here we've got Magical Jungle and our bookmark at the front. Here's another one of the, I don't know what this is made out of. It feels like curling ribbon. This one has that beautiful red colour inside, and it's quite thick compared to the others. So I don't know how well these clean. They aren't waterproof, so I'm not sure how well they wash. I haven't tried to wash any yet. Now this one with these colourful cats also fits. This is Mythic World in here. Now this is a different type of ribbon. This is more of a fabric. That's the inside of this one. And there, just to show you what the thickness of it. Now this one does have these little dots here from where she's unpicked some stitching as she's putting together the samples. So little blemish there, but it still does the job. So these covers aren't for sale anywhere. They were made specifically for this giveaway, and I thought they were a really cute addition. I hope you guys like them as well. So just to give you an example here, say we got first prize, second prize, third prize, and then I don't even know if that's in the camera. There we go. So first prize might pick Kerby, second prize Secret Garden, third prize will then get the leftover book, which is Secret Garden, and then first prize might choose Afrika, second prize gets Little Monsters, and then first prize could choose Polychromos and second will get the Prismacolors. So that's basically how it's going to work. I hope all of that makes sense. If you do have any questions, let me know. But please try to only leave one comment down below, only enter once. What else do I need to tell you? The giveaway will run until the 1st of December and I'll try and get them all out to you before Christmas, hopefully. I don't know how slow the mail is going to be this year. For picking the winners, I'm going to use a random comment picker to choose the winners as well, and I will post that up in the community tab. Once again, thank you so much for being part of this channel and this beautiful community we've made here at My Colourful Country Life. Good luck for everybody entering the giveaway, and here's to many more colourful adventures together. Thank you so much, everyone, and until next time, happy colouring and bye for now.